Oh shit!
Bullshit channels here. Welcome back, fellas. How are you doing today? I got new package. It's heavy, guys. It's heavy, but this time it's copper. So it was a deal on SD Bullion. I'm going to unpackage this. Okay, so it was a deal on SD Bullion for a Morgan dollar copper bar. Osborne mint, one of the oldest mints in US, guys. So I saw this, copper bars, like a 1 ounce copper bars on Silva 5150 channel, and I like them so much. So, but I didn't have chance to buy them. So this is first time I'm buying them. Yeah, very good package. Very good package. Look around, SD Bullion. SD Bullion. Good job. Good job. You do a good job. Good job. So how I'm going to unpackage it? I don't know. It kind of yeah, it's so good job packaging. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yes, I think it's somewhere here. Somewhere here I can open it. So so I bought one only gold coin, and the rest is 100 ounce of copper. Is it 100 ounce really? Yeah, I'm gonna see. Okay, what else we have here? Yeah, this is get your free bullion bull market guide. Looking to sell, blah blah. SD Bullion as usual, and my label. Sorry, you see copper Morgan dollar, silver World Bald Eagle. Yeah, I think it's number 3. It is set coin in this collection, so going to check it. Okay, so let's start from copper, okay? Copper. I don't know, maybe I need to do it like this. Never have this copper in my collection. I have copper, I have probably 1,000 ounces of copper, but I never had this specific one. Wow, 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 like it, like this. I don't know, there is something about all these squares, guys. There is something. I don't know how even, I just like it. I just like it how it look like even. Wow, look here. So cute. Yeah, thank you Silver 5150 for showing them on your channel. I really like them, as I said. And, always wanted, but they're expensive. And this time it was 189, right? 189, I think. It was like kind of discount. So I say, okay, I gonna have it. So voila, we have it. And here, even 1 ounce coin, how they package super well. Super well. Wow, just wow. SD Bullion, you just made my day. You just made my day. No complaints, zero. It's like it's one of the best packaging in the world. Okay, really, so good company. So many, problem with GM Bullion, with this Upmax, and here everything how it's supposed to be. Everything. Wow, wow. So it's a set coin in my collection. Very nice. Perfecto. Just perfecto. Perfecto more. And 100 of Morgan dollar copper bar. Guys, it's Osborne mint. It's very rare. They make one of the best product in the world, in my opinion. Okay, so we're gonna open it and we're gonna see the copper. Okay, I don't want to destroy everything here. I want to do it gently. Haha. Wow, guys, it just wow. How beautiful this covers. Just wow. Unbelievable beauty. Wow, guys, it's really top quality. You know, I don't know, it's copper, but I need to handle my gloves. So good. Wow, I'm really happy that I bought it, you know. Yeah, sometimes you don't happy with the silver. There are milk spots, there is something, but this one, wow, just so good, guys. Unbelievable. Yeah, and so this is something, I like bars. I like these bars. There is something about these bars. Copper. Copper will also cost a tons. Wow. So I'm going to, you know, probably, you know, long time we didn't have any presents. I like it. 1 AVDP ounce. Yeah, AVDP ounce. Copper, and so cheap, guys. Really, it's like today it costs more than $2. How much today? Today probably $2.2. 2.3 for one, and I bought 1.89. It was a good deal, guys. Good deal. SG Bullion. I don't know you bought it or not. It was a very good deal. Wow, just wow. Really like it. Okay, and for the silver, let me grab my box with all this collection, and we're gonna see the silver. So we didn't see the obverse, right? Or yes, obverse of this coin, of this, not a coin, of this round. Copper 999. Beauty. One piece of beauty, and it's like, I don't know, it looked like a gold to me. Very nice. One of the best. Osborne mean, guys, it's one of the best quality in the world. And even for copper, you know, it's just outstanding quality. Okay, so for the silver, right? For the silver, what is my silver? Yes, so we have two coins already in this collection. This was one of the reasons why I wanted to buy from SD Bullion. For some reason I don't have many buying from them. Yeah, so this is giraffe, right? This is giraffe. Yeah, the capsule is not good. Yeah, the capsule, I don't know. With the time, it start to, you know, make some scratches. You know, there's nothing wrong with the coin, but capsule definitely need to be replaced. So the first one was giraffe. The second was the whale. The whale. They're still for sale. I know these whales. They came out recently. 75,000, I believe. Right? How many of them? 75,000. I don't recall, maybe less even. I cannot find how many of them. So the bald eagle is the last one. So this is, this is a wildlife collection, you know, from SG Bullion. SG Bullion don't have many collections. It's not like UpMax. UpMax is doing a lot, exclusive. This doesn't have a lot, but the quality is superior quality, very nice. And this is Democratic Republic of Congo 2021. Voila! I suggest, guys, you grab one. So building my collections as usual, you know, I'm all about collection. Oh, it's collection or I'm selling. You know, I usually buy and see how successful it is, and if it's a collection, then yes. If it's not, then probably, you know, for sale. So far so good. Bought 100 of beautiful copper pieces, and you know, one more silver coin into my collection. If you like, hit notification, subscribe, and put your comments. All the best, fellas. Stuck when you can. It's gonna finish, I believe, this year or next year. Who knows? You know, I always stuck on average. I don't care. All the best. Bye bye.